Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP Envy 6000E series all-in-one printer on your Windows PC, laptop, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for HP Envy 6000E drivers. Best result should come back over support.hp.com webpage here that says HP Envy 6000E all-in-one printer series. Open that up, and then you want to scroll down on this page and you want to select the Easy Start Printer Setup software and then the download button. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open that file up to run it. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes to begin the installer here, and then just follow along with the on-screen directions, whether you're going to be using a wired or wireless-based connection to sync up your printer to your computer, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.